One day, 3 children went to school. It was the last lesson of the day. The lesson was English. The teacher's name was Noah. They were very tired. Before they left, the teacher told them to stay in the class to copy.
Now you are going to stay here to copy.
You are the worst teacher!
So now we are going to copy more time. One moment, I'm going to go to the toilet. Stay here and copy.
The teacher went out. Someone closed the door. Material you have here.
The caretaker wants to assassinate our friend.
And where is your friend?
I'm here. The teacher is dead.
And where is your teacher?
Dead.
Oh my God, this is a crime. I have to arrest the caretaker now.
The teacher is dying. I'm thinking about
You're going to go to the prison.
When I go out, be careful.
Wait, your police!
Yes!
Bye. 2 years later, when I go out, I'm going to kill the children because they're so stupid. What do you want, boys? Girls?
I want to see you one thing. You can go out, but be careful. I'm going to see you.
Hello, children. Ha! Ha! Come on, come on, come!
Stay here, Colton. I come now. Please.
Oh no, the teacher! Shut up! person. Do you want to say any words?
No.